Good morning. How are you today, Sunday? Oh, I'm good. I'm just a little tired. Oh, why you scratch your head? I'm not scratching my head anymore. Yeah, I saw you scratch. Yeah, there you go again, scratching your head. You got something on your mind? Yes. Lisa just mentioned that um, Adam is Golem. Now, how do you say Golem? Now, the first thing is the students come to my class and they tell me all kinds of crazy things. What happened last night? And teacher, I just started to have this crazy dream. I go, what's this crazy dream? It's something about a madman. I says, but there's letters missing. Yes, because I don't want anything to have a continuation. There's letters missing because there's no continuation. Madman without a letter backwards is Adam. An atom bomb is something in pieces and parts in Revelations and okay, in relativity, because Einstein said what Einstein said. He says, let's build this big bomb bursting in air. Bomb, bum, whichever way you want to go, but blue on the moon is the answer. Electronic. So what I'm going to talk about right now, and I'm going to point down at my paper and point onto the screen and show you how I associate, because this is what I do. This is the same thing, my association, as you going ahead and reading off the stones, not the rolling stones, because you're making things move. So here's what it is. Atom is not spelled with an E, okay? It's spelled with an A, so we're going to spell it twice just to show you the difference. Hold on. A-D-A-M, okay? When we spell it this way, okay, it can also say modem, okay? Mode, okay? Or modem, atom, okay? At the same time, hold on, let me make this go. I don't know why it's not going. Okay, atom up, or atom is also said as odd. Modem and odd. In atom, M says M in French, artificial intelligence, alternate current, because the M is 1 and 3. And the first way we get the 3 is 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 will create your 2 and 3. That is B and E, because 2 is the letter B. B is in the E family. B and E equals 0, 5, okay? Or it equals to 5 and 2 equals to 7. 0, 5 equals to 65 equals to 2 equals to 2, 7, and 5, which is the gateway in Earth, because this is what these letters do. It's the gateway in Earth to the big red sun. And I would write that out because 7, 1, and 2, okay? Here's your 5 and 2, okay, which is B and E. Here is your 6 and 5, okay, for the letter E, which equals to letter 11K, and to the letter 2B, okay, 2B. Your 6 and 5 equals to 5 equals to E, okay, 5, and 5, this over here, the 25th letter is Y. Y, we get the key. 7, 1, and 2 is G, 1 is A, 2 is B, 7 and 2 is 9I. Big I. 7 times 2 is 14N. Big N, and it creates a W. Big N, big win. Win backwards is new. Red is 27. Okay. 27 twice, because we have 3 letters to the left and to the right. Twice is 54 equals to sun. 45 backwards is the foxhole inside the sun. Win, big, red. It's a long combinations. I usually do it shorter, but this is this piece. Now, what we're going to show you here is odd man loves. The odd man likes love of time. Or dehors means outside. Horaire is schedule. And at the right time in French, it says time. Is, okay, to love, is equals to 51. Okay, as in vibration, 2, 3, and 4, because when I get on the telephone, I need to speak into talking to hear from that person. Going back to each way, here's my in and my out. Here's what's waiting on the line. Before you can speak, I must answer. And here's the out plug-in, and it goes in my ear this way. When you have relationships to my personal, my pair, which means 2, my 2 sons, when you get al, it becomes male in French, my 2 sons. My 2 sons says our, because backwards in French, it says nos. It also means the wedding of our sons. 2 sons reflecting into Ishmael. 51 and 51 inside Isaac. Ish, wish, Jewish. Okay? S and H, or she, chi. I wish. Je. Je is also the expression in French, which is j'ai. J takes the letters, which is A and I. A and I is 10. Creating the J says I have and I wish. I have and I wish. I send my DNA. inside the 14th letter, 14, 1 times 4, 1 plus 4, 5 times 4 is 20. This will create the IT system, and this will create the number in the sun, 1 and 4, and then 1 and 5, creating your pi system, creating your two suns. Sacrifice, when you send a sacrifice, okay, or something in a bag to have a craft on ice, you froze something or an embryo, okay, and you sent it from Mars in this situation. Mars, M is to love. Angel residence spirit is the rest of the word. R minus and plus in the A family equals to S19. You need 3 times 3 to create the R, and 1 and 1 will create your A inside of this. But a sacrifice in baseball is having someone on base, okay? And you're going to sacrifice yourself, means take yourself out of the game, only to have the opportunity to move the runner on base forward. So this is what this video is all about. And we're going to go to the last piece. Golem, to have the goal 7 and 15 in letters. 0, 7 becomes 67, becomes 13, becomes 4. This becomes 6, expression of the east-west rotation. When this becomes 6, it now becomes 2 because it's a 0 with a 6. 6 and 6 is 12, becomes 3. 7 and 3, entering into the house of the cube. Olim, okay? Lemon, love, lemon. Mo means my. No means name. In the name of God. Also said in the word V. 22. These two letters are 7 and 15, 22, and they represent the 15 ball and pool and the 7 ball and pool. They're both in the same house. 7 times 15 is 105, equals to 105, plus 22 equals to 127, 127. G-A-B inside the piano. G-A-B, as you restart, these are the first 3 letters. G-A-B, because 1 to 6 equals to your only 7, where everything else is in between. 5 is the combination of 2 and 3 and 1 and 4 to create that with 2 cubes. We get the big red sun. This over here, okay, where she split heaven universe, we get communication with the rice, the flow of the energy inside of us. I call it the rice. Split heaven electronic. V is now 22. Lemon, the my name in the yellow spirit, because the yellow ball and pool is 1 and 9, and that's A and I. A and I will now create J. It says Je suis, or Jesus, to mean I know and I have. I have. Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. It might be a little confusing. It might mean nothing to you. It might just be a game. But this is the way I play my game. I break things down. I put them to relationships. Let's do it. It's all a basis. Now, this is very small. If you give me something big, I'm going to just bounce them off like a pinball machine. Thank you for watching. Good day.